and welcome to Let's Invest Right. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Today we are here to discuss about one of the news which nobody likes to hear about, but it's a very important for investors, especially if you are investing in Chinese stock. That is about the delisting of Chinese stock from US stock markets. That is from New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Now, what kind of news is this, and what kind of impact it could really have on investors who are investing in companies like Alibaba, in companies like electric vehicles like NIO, Xpeng, Li, which has seen tremendous growth in last few months. Now, this news is really important to understand. First of all, SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission in United States, they are demanding the lawmakers to make a law where all the Chinese firms who are listed in United States to follow a very strict compliance on issuing their audited reports annually, which should be audited by the regulators in the United States. Now, this is a very just requirement. As an investor, if I'm investing in a company, whether it belongs from China or United States or UK or any other part of the world, I want to have my investments really in safe hands. I mean, if I would like to invest in a company, whether it's NIO, whether it's Xpeng, whether it's Li, and the news which we are seeing in the market that their sales are increasing by a few 100%. But whether these reports are accurate or not, because we have seen in a couple of months, like Chinese firms like Lincoln Coffee, or suddenly we have seen yesterday about Candy Technologies, where certainly a company like Hindenburg Research have told us about the issues in the reporting of Candy Technologies, and certainly more than 25% the stock dropped. However, today they have come back, the company Candy Technologies from China, they have come back and they have said that the research report is having a lot of errors and misinterpretations. Whatever it is, guys, the stock dropped. A lot of money is gone. A lot of investors have been wiped out. Now, it is very important for me as an investor to invest in companies which are really having records in front of everyone, and this is a very, very good requirement from US regulators. So let's see what happens on Wednesday when the lawmakers are going to sit together and discuss about this. But this is a very just requirement from SEC. On your screens you can see that we have news from many news channels, especially from Wall Street Journal, where they are telling us about the House to vote on booting Chinese stock from US over audit rules. Again, as I have said, this is really very important for us to know. Also, some other news websites have also given us the similar reports. China stocks delisting threat grows for Alibaba, JD.com, NIO, and because of this candy fraud allegations. And we have been hearing a lot about such kind of frauds these days. But we have seen in the past that even China supports auditing investigation. Nobody would like to lose these opportunities. Their companies raising funds from US, which is a very big market, and the US investors are all over the world. They are investing millions and billions of dollars in these Chinese firms. So guys, what is going to happen in case if this delisting is done? So there would be two beneficiaries for this: Hong Kong Stock Exchange as well as London Stock Exchange. Most probably these stocks are going to be relisted in those in London Stock Exchange or Hong Kong Stock Exchange. However, this is my personal opinion that something is going to take place, because delisting won't be done on spot. Like if today or tomorrow they're going to have this news that delisting is to be done, and all the stocks would not be delisted. The Chinese firms would be given 3 years to comply with these audit rules, and for sure, 100% sure, companies like NIO, which are very strong and they're having very good sales, they would definitely be complying with the rules and regulation of the country where their stocks are listed. But in case if this is done, then we would see these stocks to be listed in Hong Kong Stock Exchange or London Stock Exchange. Now the problem would be not a lot of brokerage houses from United States, they are offering the access to Hong Kong Stock Exchange or LSE. So let's see what is going to happen. Howsoever, when we are investing these days in Chinese stock, we should not only see that how much return NIO is giving us or how much return Xpeng is giving us, we should also see the risk associated with these Chinese firms and the geopolitical issues and the laws and regulations and everything. So guys, thank you very much for watching us. Keep watching us and invest in a right way. And guys, let's invest right. Thank you very much for watching us. Take care. Bye-bye.